incredible.
Every shot you're watching was created using a completely free AI workflow. No paid software, just 5 simple steps. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create an AI film like this from scratch. Here's exactly how it was made. Every AI movie I make starts in ChatGPT, not an AI image generator. Most people jump straight into creating images. I don't. I spend a few minutes planning the story first, because it saves hours fixing scenes later. Instead of building everything from scratch, I use a production blueprint template. This is just the outline. Download the complete template from the video description and use it for your own AI films. It transforms a simple idea into a complete production plan, including the story, character guides, and a scene-by-scene storyboard. That storyboard becomes the blueprint for every scene we'll create. Now, all I have to do is describe the story. For example, an explorer discovers a mysterious griffin hidden deep inside forgotten jungle ruins. Together, they journey towards an ancient temple that's been lost for centuries. A few seconds later, our production blueprint is ready. The story is planned, every scene is mapped out, and we're ready to create our characters. Let's bring them to life. The production blueprint has already created character sheet prompts for every important character. Now we simply turn those prompts into reference images. I'll start with the explorer. Next, open Google Flow. This is where we'll generate all of our images. For the character references, I'll use one of the Nano Banana models since they're completely free. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9, paste in the prompt, and click Generate. 5 simple views: front, side, back, a close-up, and an action pose. This becomes our visual reference for the entire film. Now let's do the same thing for the griffin. A few moments later, our cast is complete. This is exactly why we create character sheets first. Every angle, every facial feature, and every detail stays consistent when we start generating scenes. Before moving on, I always do one quick check. Do these characters actually feel like they belong in the same movie? Do they share the same visual style? The same level of realism? If something looks off, this is the time to fix it, not after you've generated 30 scenes. Because from this point on, these reference images will be used in every scene we create. Our cast is ready. Now it's time to bring the story to life. Let's turn each scene into a cinematic shot. Back in ChatGPT, I'll use the second prompt from our AI filmmaking workflow. This prompt connects everything we've created so far into one workflow. Next, I copy the storyboard from the production blueprint and save it as a simple text file. This makes it easy for ChatGPT to read every scene exactly as we planned it. Then I upload the storyboard file along with our explorer and griffin reference images. ChatGPT reads every scene from the storyboard, matches it with our explorer and griffin reference images, then turns each scene into a detailed production-ready image prompt. A few moments later, every scene is ready. Each prompt already includes the characters, environment, camera angle, and all the details needed to recreate the scene consistently. So there's almost nothing left to guess. Now let's start creating them. Back in Google Flow, I'll use one of the free Nano Banana models to generate the scenes. Because the griffin doesn't appear until later in the story, I'll start with just the explorer. I'll click the 3 dots and select Add to Prompt. Then I'll copy the matching scene prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Google Flow, and generate the scene. Later, when both the explorer and griffin appear together, I simply upload both reference images before generating that scene. From here, I repeat the same process for every remaining shot. There it is. Our movie has officially begun. Every new image is simply another shot in the same film. Upload the character references for that scene, paste the matching scene prompt, and generate the image. Watch how quickly the movie comes together. The explorer stays consistent from scene to scene. The griffin keeps the same look throughout the film, and every shot follows the storyboard we planned at the beginning. Before moving on, I do one final review. I'm checking that every character stays consistent. Every location matches the storyboard, and every shot feels like it belongs in the same movie. If something looks out of place, I'll regenerate it now. It's much easier to fix a single image than an entire animated sequence. Now that every scene is ready, let's bring them to life. Back in ChatGPT, I'll use the final prompt from our AI filmmaking workflow. This prompt turns each finished image into a production-ready animation prompt for Google Flow. For each scene, I upload two things: the completed scene image, and this section where you paste your matching storyboard description. The prompt studies both, then generates a production-ready image-to-video prompt for that exact shot. It doesn't just animate the image. It also describes the camera movement, the character motion, and the environmental details that bring the scene to life. Now I copy that prompt. Open Google Flow. Under the Video tab, choose either OmniFlash or Veo 3.1. Upload the same scene image, paste the animation prompt, and generate. And just like that, our first cinematic shot comes to life. The same image we created earlier now feels like a real film shot. From here, every scene follows the exact same process. Upload the finished image. Paste the matching storyboard. ChatGPT creates the animation prompt. Copy it and open Google Flow. Upload the same scene image. Paste the prompt and generate the animation. One by one, the still images become moving scenes, and the storyboard transforms into a finished film. Before moving on, I always do one final review. I'm checking that every movement feels natural, the camera stays cinematic, and every shot flows smoothly into the next. If one clip doesn't feel right, I'll regenerate it now. It's much easier to fix a single shot before editing, with every scene complete. Let's assemble the final film. At this point, all the hard work is done. Our story is planned. Our characters are consistent. Every scene has been created, and every shot has been animated. Now it's simply a matter of bringing everything together. I import all the animated clips, arrange them in storyboard order, fine-tune the pacing, and make the final adjustments. Because we planned everything from the beginning, the edit comes together surprisingly quickly. Every shot has a purpose. Every scene fits exactly where it belongs. And now, let's watch the finished film.
Incredible.
Grab the free production blueprint below, then watch this tutorial to create cinematic AI films with realistic conversations.